Every day, a new AI tool pops up. One for chatting, one for images, one for writing, and before you know it, you're juggling 10 different apps just to get simple things done. But what if there was one platform that could replace them all? Welcome to Next Gen AI Lab, the place where I bring you the smartest AI tools to help you learn quicker, work smarter, and create without limits. Today, we're diving into ChatArt, an all-in-one AI assistant that doesn't just answer your questions. It creates novels, generates stunning images, and handles your work like a complete creative partner. Let's go to Google and search for ChatArt. Then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of the video. This is the homepage of ChatArt, a leading up-to-date AI assistant. Explore ultimate creativity and efficiency with ChatArt. There are different AI models available, such as ChatGPT, Claude, Sonnet, DeepSeek, and more. We can download and try ChatArt on Windows, iOS, and Android. It can also be used online. Now click on Try for free. This is the main dashboard of ChatArt. From here, we can chat with AI, video, generate images, write anything we want, and even use AI-powered search. First, we'll explore the chat feature. From here, we can switch AI models based on our needs. We can also attach files or images as required. Now, I'll type a prompt in the bar. What is ChatArt? We can also optimize the input by clicking Optimize Input. It takes a few seconds to enhance our input. Once optimized, click Enter. It takes a few moments to generate an answer to our query. However, at this point, you'll notice a prompt asking you to upgrade or top up your balance. That's because this feature requires a paid plan. We can also send it to the editor or share it directly. These features are often missing in other AI chat tools. If we want to generate an image, click on Image, then Text to Image. This is the main dashboard. Various image styles are available, which we can choose based on our needs. In the image description box, I'll paste a description. After that, we'll select Detailed Description and choose our AI image model. For this demo, I'll go with Flex 1.1 Pro Ultra. You can also adjust the image scale and number of outputs. I'll keep it simple with one image. Now, normally, when you click Generate, the image will start processing right away. But since I haven't topped up yet, I won't run it here. Once you've added credit, though, the image will generate in just a few seconds. There are also features like Compose Email, Novel Generator, Translator, and Humanizer. Let's click on Novel Generator. This is the main dashboard. Using ChatArt, we can generate an entire novel with just a single prompt. Click Global Settings. First, input the novel title. For example, Echoes Above the Sky. Then select the target audience. I'll choose male. The story perspective, I'll choose first person. And then the story genre, I'll choose fantasy. Next, input the background setting. Then add characters, including protagonists and supportive characters. Once everything is done, click Go to Story Generation. Next, enter the chapter description and click Generate. It takes a few seconds to create the novel, so be patient. Here it is. Wow! Using ChatArt, we can generate many types of novels based on our preferences. Now click Apply. Once we apply it, the novel instantly appears on the screen. This is the power of ChatArt. Which AI tool do you want me to review next? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next deep dive.